OpenAI is reportedly laying the groundwork for a potential IPO that could value the company at $1 trillion. It would happen as early as the second half of 2026, with a targeted public listing in 2027, making it one of the largest public offerings in history. This is all coming at a time when they've just finished a major corporate overhaul that finally makes an IPO possible. For years, OpenAI's setup was pretty complicated. It was a for-profit company technically controlled by a nonprofit board, which was a structure meant to protect its founding mission, which was to ensure artificial general intelligence would benefit all of humanity. And in many ways, they weren't supposed to be a trillion-dollar company. OpenAI was technically built as a nonprofit, and the whole point was to keep financial gain secondary to safety, which meant they even created a profit cap supposed to prevent any sort of runaway commercialization. Because of that model, ownership, fundraising, and governance just became very complicated. And so in an effort to clean that up, they've converted into a public benefit corporation, which means a lot less restrictions. The nonprofit, which is now called OpenAI Foundation, still owns 26%, but investors like Microsoft, which has about 27%, Thrive, and SoftBank now hold real equity that could eventually trade publicly. Financially, OpenAI is currently approaching a $20 billion annualized revenue run rate, but their losses are also accelerating pretty quickly. So an IPO isn't just about prestige, it's really also about financing the scale that they need to build AGI. And this is ultimately where there's more tension. OpenAI was founded to serve humanity, but now it seems like it's on track to become a publicly traded company accountable to shareholders. They're promising safe and beneficial AI, but also simultaneously building one of the most powerful and profitable technologies on Earth. And balancing both of that is going to be messy.